a very important scheme introduced by Government of India for private entities to work into research and development in India, and this is what is called as the RDI scheme, the Research Development and Innovation Scheme, recently launched with an idea, as we said, to bring in more private investments in research and development and to make India a global innovation hub. So there has been a corpus of nearly 1 lakh crore which has been allotted to it. There are major objectives which focus on bringing in long-term affordable capital. So the repayment is at a minimum or zero interest rate. Then there are growth funding options, specifically if you are aiming to have the labs to the market. And finally, the strategic sector, which is mainly defense, space, are some of the sectors which have been given a very good thrust. Now, the next thing that we would understand is the governance. So, ANRF is one of the basic structures that focuses on research. Then it has a governing body with executive council. Executive council approves the project and gives the scope of the project. Finally, there are two important segments under it, which is empowered group of secretaries headed by the cabinet secretary and Department of Science and Technology, which works under the ANRF. And finally, this has two tier. One is the tier for a special purpose fund for ANRF, and the second one is the fund manager who would be disbursing the loans and the concessional project grants. And then this would help the private entities set up the startups and come forward with more research and innovation. So basic idea under Viksit Bharat 2024 to boost self-resilience, have indigenous R&D, make India more competitive in global world, and create a very good economy which could be more viable. Now, if we focus on to the basic idea under RDI scheme, it focuses mainly on concessional loans with some proportion focusing on equity and fund of funds. So fund of funds basically contribute to specialized deep technologies and RDI focused funds. So these are some of the important concepts under the RDI scheme which has been released to boost India's research and development. We will be covering other important topics. This is highly important for your UGC paper 1 as well, the contemporary section on education and higher education. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.